Yes, sister. Go ahead. What was the last question I was asking you? If you remember, answer that.
Yes, you were saying that the ya mutakallim stays the same whether it's mudhakkar or muannath.
Okay, so very good. Alhamdulillah. Now you can understand because we know that ya means when we talk about mutakallim, we have got two sigas for mutakallim, and that is for mufrad and for jama. But the jama that is also applicable for muthanna. So we have to remember that if ya mutakallim is being used by mudhakkar, he has to use the sigas of mudhakkar. And if that is being used by muannas, the same goes with the muannas, that the remaining sigas would be for muannas as well. Like in these cases, inni abdun shakirun. Now the first one is for mudhakkar, that is ya mutakallim. Now that is ya mutakallim is ism for inna, and then abdun shakirun, this is murakkab tawsifi and for mudhakkar. And when we talk about inni amatun shakiratun, now the ya mutakallim is being used for muannath. So amatun shakiratun, this is murakkab tawsifi, and for that is for muannath. Yes, who is now? Whose turn is now? For sentence sentence number 14. Asma, are you ready to go for sentence number 14?
Yes.
Hurry up.
Inna abdani shakirani. Inna is inna has takid, and it is used here for musanna and mutakallim. Abdani shakirani is murakkabun wasifi. And the second one is innana amatani shakiratani. Here it is using for muannas musanna. And amatani shakiratani murakkabun wasifiyun.
Another means one more change over here. Inna and innana.
Yes, inna and innana.
So inna is used for mudhakkar and innana for muannath.
Muannas. Yeah. Muannas.
Okay. Yes, brother Ahmad, sentence 15.
Inna ibadun shakiruna, in which inna is used for showing plural of masculine. And then innana ima'un shakiratun, in which innana is used to show plural for women, feminine.
Okay, mashallah, mashallah. We'll this is about tarkeeb. We will discuss the tarkeeb in detail, inshallah, because I don't want to involve you at the moment in difficulty, but we'll go for that, inshallah. Now, because you have learned about fail, all those they have learned fail. So let's start from Sister Rida. Sister Rida, the sentence number 1, how do you going to explain yourself? Sister Rida, your voice is very low, please.
I got new headset, sir. But
Okay.
still the problem exists.
Yes.
Alimtu anna Allaha qadirun ala kulli shay'in. Alimtu, I know.
Alimtu. Okay, what is that? Alimtu.
Fail.
Fail. Very good.
Fail mazi. Wahid. Wahid.
Wahid.
Wahid mutakallim.
Wahid mutakallim.
No. When we say when, what is that term I forgot? Have you tried that? Mutakallim.
Yes, it is mutakallim. Wahid mutakallim. A common for mudhakkar and muannas. Yes.
Yes. And mazi. Fail mazi.
Fail mazi. Yes.
Anna is has tawqidi.
Okay.
And Allah ismu أن قادر
Okay.
قادر خبر أن على كل شيء شبه جملة.
So inna with its ism and khabar, what will it become, sister? This is a question. This is $1 million question.
For جملة فعلية
Jumla failure?
جملة فعلية عملت فعل عملت فعل to five إن الله قادر what is that called تتعمل for خبر
Will it become its maf'ul?
yes مفعول
Are you
مفعول.
sure? I'm
there is
giving you time to think over it, but I'll ask you again. Yes, the second one. Yes, brother Ayman, brother sister Saima. Sentence number 2.
Okay, so سمعت أن زيدا قادم اليوم. So سمعت is فعل ماضي. سمع is فعل ماضي. And to is متكلم.
To is its zamir and it becomes file of this fa'al. And
Yes,
zamir, this is
فاعل.
what? Yes.
فعل فاعل. And أن اسم توكيد. Yeah, اسم توكيد as it's اسم إن أخواتها أن. Same rule applies. زيدا is اسم إن.
No. Now you know about ism and khabar. If we just treat this complete sentence as a whole, like anna zaydan qadimul yawma. So how you're going to treat this complete sentence? How you're going to place it after the verb? What should be its position after the verb?
Right, okay, yeah. So زيدا is اسم مفعول and it's mansub.
Only zaydan? Or this complete sentence, anna zaydan qadimul yawm? Are we going to treat zaydan separately? Or we have to treat anna zaydan qadimul yawm completely as a whole? Think about it. No hurry. I'll ask you again. Like this is your homework. Okay. Yes, brother Ayman, go to sentence number 3.
بلغني أنك نجحت في الامتحان. So بلغ is فعل ماضي معلوم. And بلغني, no. Yes, I'm correct. بلغني, now there is noon and then there is ya there. So it will mean you gave me, you many gave me. No, that is wrong. Because it is ya mutakallim that is coming at the end. That shows me. But the
Brother, you've got
itself
very
is balagha.
complex sentence. Balaga is for wahid mudhakkar ghaib. Ni is used because after no, maybe after this verb there's ya mutakallim. So ya mutakallim cannot be connected direct. So that's why noon has been brought, and noon doesn't have any function over here, just to connect ya mutakallim with the fa'al. Then annaka. Then najahta, after an means ism of the anna, the verb is over there, najahta fil imtihani. Now this is your homework. Write it down completely and properly. You have to come with an answer. And how you're going to treat the sentence completely as a whole. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay, who is going to try the sentence number 4 voluntarily? Anyone from you?
Okay, I'll try inshallah.
Yes, try it.
أخبر will be ماضي فعل ماضي.
Only akhbara? أخبرتني. أخبرت is completely verb or just أخبر is a verb?
Akhbara is a verb and
Only
me is
أخبر.
used to
Only أخبر or أخبرت?
akhbarat. Akhbarat.
And أخبرت is used for whom?
Muannas mutakallim. Wahid muannas mutakallim.
مؤنث متكلم.
No. Wait.
أخبرتني عائشة.
Wahid muannas ghaib.
واحد مؤنث غائب, and its file is where?
Aishatu.
Aishatu means Aishatu informed me. Now
Yes.
أخبرتني. What is ya over here?
Ya is used here for mutakallim.
So what should be the function in the sentence of ya? Maf'ul?
Yes.
Okay. Anna ummaha marizatun. Can anybody tell me from you, anyone from you, is there any concept of more than one maf'ul in a sentence? And if there is, what we call that? Do you remember?
Yeah, yes, there can be more than
Mhm.
one object. Some what do you call it?
Mafa'il
Some مفعول. Yes.
that become mafa'il if more than one maf'ul.
Yes, sir.
So
It's some
these verbs are known as what? Intransitive verbs.
Transitive.
Huh? Sister Yanti, what did you say?
Transitive.
Transitive.
It needs yes, it needs
Transitive. Okay. And in Arabic,
explanation.
transitive. What is it known as? Means what is the translation of transitive?
Maf'ul bihi.
No.
Is that correct? No.
Okay. That fail is what? The fail of yes.
Muta'addi, yes.
Muta'addi. And
Not ta'addi, yes.
and intransitive is what?
It's
Lazim.
lazim.
Lazim, yes.
Very good. I'm happy to know that you people remember these things, mashallah, alhamdulillah, not mashallah, alhamdulillah. So keep it up and very good. And it means that alhamdulillah, you have grown much mature in Arabic, in Lisan al-Quran. So you see the technicalities involved in sentences. Then if you go to the Quran, that how you're going to treat the technicalities, right? So
Yes, sir.
أمور تتعلق بخبر إن. أمور تتعلق بخبر إن. Who is going to translate it? أمور تتعلق بخبر إن.
So it would be nice if you translated that for us.
No, translate it. You can translate it.
Things that are related to inna, khabar inna.
Things or issues, they are related to the khabar of in. Okay, so good. Now, these are the again from the ayah, from ayatul Quran, 3 ayat. What change you can notice in these 3 sentences, one by one? The remaining people can try. Yes, Brother Eman, go for the first one.
I see in the khabar there is lam tawkid.
Yes. Read it. Read the ayah.
Inna ad-din lawaqi'.
Okay. Okay, so this is for you. You're going to tell us about it. Okay, afterwards. Okay, dear sister Rida, the second sentence for you. Sister Rida.
Yes, sir. Inna shirka la zulmun azimun.
Okay, sister, your voice. Please work on it because these classes are being recorded and people, may Allah Almighty give tawfiq to other brothers and sisters to listen or these sessions, and may Allah reward all of us for that. So raise your voice because people should listen to you. Yes, what is that?
Innal shirka la
Inna shirka, inna shirka.
inna shirka la zulmun azimun.
Okay.
Azimun.
So what is the change over here you can notice?
Lam tawqid, as brother said in Khabar Unna.
Yes, lam entered and the khabar of inna. Okay. The last one, who is going to read the last one? Arya?
إن بطش ربك لشديد.
Okay. Again, the lam is
Again.
connected to. Okay.
Yes, lam has come in between the sentence for emphasis.
Okay, Alhamdulillah, till today, this is what we Alhamdulillah, we have made some revision and also other things. We will do more, inshallah, in coming sessions. I stop recording here. Okay. So now,